Preparing for negotiations, research and analysis. Title: Preparing for negotiations, research and analysis. Introduction. Negotiations play a critical role in various aspects of our lives, from business transactions to personal interactions. The outcome of negotiations significantly impacts the parties involved, making thorough preparation absolutely crucial. One key element of effective negotiation preparation is rigorous research and analysis. In this article, we will explore the importance of research and analysis in preparing for negotiations and discuss practical steps to optimize this process. Understanding the negotiation dynamics. Before engaging in any negotiation, it is essential to gain a comprehensive understanding of the dynamics surrounding it. Identifying the parties involved, their interests, and their respective strengths, and weaknesses will provide invaluable insights. By assessing the motivations and goals of the opposing party, you can align your own objectives accordingly, increasing the likelihood of a mutually beneficial outcome. Moreover, understanding contextual factors such as cultural differences, market conditions, and legal frameworks can help in shaping your negotiation strategy. Conducting thorough research. Rigorous research is at the core of effective negotiation preparation. Gathering information about the opposing party, their previous negotiation history, and their financial standing can equip you with a significant advantage. Additionally, exploring industry trends, market conditions, and competitive analysis will allow you to position yourself strategically. Various resources can aid in this process, including company websites, industry reports, financial databases, and business publications. Information sourced from reliable and diverse channels will provide a well-rounded understanding of the negotiation landscape. Identifying interests and common ground. Research and analysis enable you to identify the underlying interests of all parties involved, which go beyond the initially stated positions. By understanding the motivations and concerns of the other side, you can explore areas of common ground and potential compromises. This approach helps in creating mutually beneficial solutions, fostering cooperation, and developing stronger relationships. Moreover, recognizing common interests significantly reduces the likelihood of impasse or deadlock during negotiations. Assessing strengths and weaknesses. Another critical aspect of negotiation preparation is assessing your own strengths and weaknesses, as well as those of the opposing party. Honest self-analysis is crucial in identifying where you may have advantages or vulnerabilities. By leveraging your strengths and mitigating weaknesses, you can bolster your negotiation position. Additionally, understanding the other party's strengths and weaknesses allows for the formulation of effective strategies and tactics. Exploring BATNA and ZOPA. Research and analysis also facilitate the identification of best alternative to a negotiated agreement, BATNA, and zone of possible agreement, ZOPA. BATNA represents an individual's alternative core say of action should negotiations fail, enabling you to assess the value of an agreement. ZOPA, on the other hand, refers to the range of potential outcomes where both parties can find mutually acceptable solutions. Careful consideration of BATNA and ZOPA empowers negotiators to evaluate potential agreements and determine the bottom line they are willing to accept. Developing a negotiation strategy. Based on the insights gained through research and analysis, developing a negotiation strategy becomes more focused and effective. A strong strategy requires clear objectives, definition of priorities, and identification of potential concessions. By mapping out a coherent and flexible plan, negotiators can respond adeptly to changing dynamics during the negotiation process. Moreover, considering Different negotiation styles and adapting strategies accordingly enhances the chances of a successful outcome. Managing information and communication. Research and analysis supply negotiators with the necessary information to achieve effective communication. Preparing key messages, framing issues, and selecting appropriate communication channels are vital in presenting a compelling argument. Furthermore, understanding cultural nuances can help avoid misunderstandings and foster trust. The ability to listen actively, empathize, and remain open-minded throughout the negotiation process is equally fundamental for generating positive outcomes. This comprehensive preparation enhances the negotiator's position and enables them to develop informed strategies. By investing time and effort into research and analysis, negotiators can increase likelihood of achieving mutually beneficial outcomes and fostering stronger long-term relationships. To begin the process, it is essential to understand the dynamics of the negotiation by identifying the parties involved, their interests, and their strengths and weaknesses. This information provides valuable insights that can help align objectives and develop a negotiation strategy. It is also important to consider contextual factors such as cultural differences, market conditions, and legal frameworks, as they can influence the negotiation dynamics and strategy. Rigorous research is at the core of effective negotiation preparation. Various resources such as company websites, industry reports, financial databases, and business publications can aid in this research process. It is crucial to source information from reliable and diverse channels to get a well-rounded understanding of the negotiation landscape. One of the key benefits of research and analysis is the ability to identify the underlying interests of all parties involved. Understanding these interests allows negotiators to explore areas of on-ground and potential compromises, facilitating the development of mutually beneficial solutions. Recognizing common interests significantly reduces the likelihood of impasse or deadlock during negotiations. In addition to researching the opposing party, it is equally important to assess one's own strengths and weaknesses. Honest self-analysis helps identify advantages and vulnerabilities, allowing negotiators to leverage strengths and mitigate weaknesses. Understanding the other party's strengths and weaknesses also enables the formulation of effective strategies and tactics. Research and analysis facilitate the identification of the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, BATNA, and the zone of possible agreement, ZOPA. BATNA represents an individual's alternative course of action if negotiations fail, while ZOPA refers to the range of potential outcomes where both parties can find mutually acceptable solutions. Careful consideration of BATNA and ZOPA empowers negotiators to evaluate potential agreements and determine their bottom line. Based on the insights gained through research and analysis, a negotiation strategy can be developed. A strong strategy includes clear objectives, defined priorities, and potential concessions. A coherent and flexible plan allows negotiators to adapt to changing dynamics during the negotiation process.